Still struggling to find the right broker in 2025? Then you are in the right place, and this is why brokers should be picked properly. Before we continue, I'll love you to support us by hitting the like, share, and subscribe button. Let's grow, guys! Brokers should be carefully picked because a reliable broker can significantly impact a trader's success, offering a smoother experience and potentially reducing risks. Choosing a broker with a strong reputation, regulatory oversight, and secure financial practices is crucial for protecting your investments and ensuring a positive trading environment. Now, what broker do I recommend? Exness? Why Exness? Why Exness is trusted, reliable, and fast. Unmatched spread stability, next-level execution, best-in-class security, stop-out protection, no overnight fees, customizable leverage, and so on. Ready to register? Just click the link in description. Click register. It will take you this page. Then you put in your credentials, but I already have an account, so I'll go ahead and sign in. This is simply how the interface is. As you can see, I have completed my verification. Without that, you can't access some things, but if you use the link in bio, you can deposit up to 500 USD without verification. Don't wait. Opportunities move fast, and so should you. Hit the link in bio and start trading smarter today.